What up, guys? We are in the middle of refurbishing this fastback GT trunk lid. It's got quite a bit of damage to it. As you can see, we've got some rust rot on each end there. Got a dent over here. But yeah, we're taking all of the original paint off and we're getting it prepped, and we're gonna do body work, and then once we get all the body work done, we're gonna primer and then paint her and then put her on the car. So let's go. Alright, so we have all of the paint, well, almost all of the paint. We just gotta take this little part off. But we got the paint down to bare metal. Then we did a fiberglass on this, let it dry. We're about to sand this and then fill it with Bondo. As you can see, we already got started on this side. We're sanding it with 80 grit. We're about to go over it one more time with Bondo on the low spots on certain areas. And then we'll sand that. But we have a couple other spots. Forgive me for the mess here. There's a spot we got to sand. There's another spot we got to sand. But once we get everything straight and we take this paint off, it'll be ready for primer. So as you can see, we got this flipped upside down, and here we have quite a bit of rust that we got to clean up first. We got to clean this whole lip up. And then once we do that, we're going to scuff all of the paint up. That's a cool little vintage sticker there, look at that. We're going to clean this up and paint it green. Alrighty, we got the back underneath prepped, the top prepped. We're going to hit this with some etching primer on the bare metal areas and then just paint it green, and then